What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today we are at Speedsportz Park. It's actually a go-kart track for shifter karts, but we're not going to be driving shifter karts today. As you guys can see, I'll be driving the 2018 BMW M2, and we got a ton of other race cars here as well. 997 GT3 without a wing, which is pretty neat. Subaru WRX, bunch of different generation Miatas. Got a G80 M3 out on tracks. Awesome day here. And I'm going to switch to the POV view and the interior view, and basically just going to do a little review of the M2 on a go-kart track. Let's do it. So what I always describe the M2 as is a pocket rocket. It's a small little pocket rocket. It's the smallest M car you can pretty much get, lowest horsepower M car you can get. But with that being said, I think it's one of the best M cars you can get because it really harnesses and harkens back to the old generation M3s, how it has that connectivity to the driver and just that lightweight mechanical feel that we all love. Man, I feel like a rally car driver because rally car drivers have to really be dynamic with the way they grip the steering wheel by moving their hands around, because they have a lot of U-shaped corners. But I can tell you, it's so interesting driving on a small track like this because everything is coming at you so damn quickly. It's almost like you can't get on the power quickly enough. Alrighty guys, that was one hard lap in the M2 around Speedsportz Park. Now, we're about to switch it to nighttime, and I'm going to ride passenger in an AMG GTS, so it'll be really neat to see the comparison between the M2 and that thing. Alright guys, so we're now in an AMG GTS, and it's just fascinating to feel the difference in performance. The lateral grip this thing has, it doesn't lean in corners whatsoever. And the power and everything is just phenomenal. Also, the seat belts act kind of like a harness. So they have this electronic kind of pull, holds you in place, and the bucket seats are great as well. And then you have that V8 that makes those downshift noises that are just orgasmic. It's amazing. two corners, I'm always fighting for traction. Sick.
He was queuing up the whole time.
Yeah. What's up again? So as you guys can see, it's nighttime now. You know, my friends were telling me that the track cooled down and it's so much better for grip now, so they convinced me to go out one more time. And I've never been out on track at night, so definitely a once or first time experience, so I could not pass up on that. Let's go. I think already you're gonna feel straight away the difference.
It'll be apparent pretty quickly. Oh man. So I will say, you can feel that there's probably like a lower limit for the grip, but it's planted in what it's doing.
It is. Now getting back in it again, it is. But the back, my tires have no freaking grip.
Yeah.
The rear ones, they're really fighting all the time.
You check your pressures?
Yeah. It's honestly, there's no grip on them.
Yeah.
I've been fighting the car freaking all day. Sorry?
Do you have Pilot Sports?
I think so. That's what's on it.
That's what I have on the ZL1, and like they're okay, but like this type of a track, you really need consistency.
Yeah. And dude, I think I have a centimeter of rubber left.
Oh.
It's so bad. The rears are so bad, and so it's constantly trying to correct me as well.
Yeah.
And the nose is so grippy on this car.
Yeah, I can feel it.
That the back end then just kicks out, and then the traction control kicks in like that right there. And then it just slows me down so much, and I can't get a good exit.
On a track like this, that's probably the biggest issue is like over rotation, because you're pitching so much.
Yes, exactly.
And like that's where you lose your time, is when it kicks out and you have to wait for it to hook up again.
Yeah, like that, exactly.
Yeah, damn, you weren't kidding. The back end's so loose.
Yeah, like that.
That thing's loose. Yep.
Like as soon as I pitch it in, it's just every single time. And that's the problem. When it does that, it makes me want to turn traction control off.
Yeah.
Because I can control it myself a little bit better. But then it's also way sketchy. I am gonna, if you don't mind, I'll just do that for a little bit.
It's only a better time for both of us.
Yeah.
There you go.
But that's what I can just do. I can control it a little bit, and then...
Yeah, because when it cuts you, it just throws everything off.
Yep, exactly.
More when it's cutting.
Yep. Like there, just at least keep a little bit of constant speed.
Yep.
I was also doing left foot braking. My foot is getting so tired.
Oh yeah.
But that's the best.
Yeah, that felt nice.
And that's what I also love about this car. That is very controllable, even though it bit me in the ass at one time.
Yeah. It's gotta happen at some point.
Yeah. That was freaking sexy.
What a recovery.
now she's getting a little bit squirrely.
Yeah, I think those tires are a little hot.
Yeah.
Or the rears are just getting toasted.
All right, we'll just call it quits now. I'm done. I'm fine with that.
Those rears are on fire.
Yeah. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to make it home. All right, guys, and the best way to end a track day like that is with some very good looking pizza like that. So I'm about to enjoy and indulge in that. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please browse the channel, subscribe, all that stuff, and I'll be back with even better car content next time.